I'm going to do a small tutorial once again. Instead of a chipping hammer, it will be a Dingo today. This is a Toro Dingo. I'm going to show you the basics on how to use it. It's going to be real quick. Little bitty stand-up tank, pretty much, with claws. Alright, I will show you. You might not hear me, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the controls really quickly. Alright, this is your hydraulics. This here, you turn this up, push it to the side to open the claws, and this to close it. Pretty basic. This turns side to side in order to turn the thing. Backward and forward to go. And this obviously determines if your bucket's going to go up or down. Well, and this is your parking brake. It also shows you all the safety features and such. There's your throttle. And there's your indicator switches, and then there's a gas gauge and starting switch, and your hour gauge. That's pretty much all there is to it. And then this is your standing platform, which is on a swivel. Motor's under the hood here. There's your claws in your bucket. Okay? Well, you're not going to be able to hear me at this very moment, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a rundown of it actually running, so enjoy. Alright, basically that's all there is to it, but it's an interesting piece of machinery. It can get places that a skid steer cannot. And, well, if you're at a place like this, well, getting around nooks and crannies is sure a giveaway on it versus like a Kubota or Bobcat. But thanks for watching, and I hope you got some info from this video. If you do run into one of these, well, I will tell you one thing. It will greatly make efficiency. You can actually fit it into a dumpster rather than driving a skid steer or Bobcat or Kubota into a dumpster. They roughly run about $14,000 to $16,000 brand new. You can get multiple attachments to it, like a breaker or a backhoe for it. That's pretty much the runaround. They all come on small tracks. That's pretty much it. It's like a walk-behind excavator or loader, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and have a good one, guys. Thank you.